Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 27th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So now is when we need to try to determine whether this really is like a three-wave pullback structure, like an ABC crescent to the last move down, and we end up bouncing from one of these fib levels and continuing the downtrend, or whether it's going to just keep on pushing beyond these fib levels and continue up. My main analysis has been that it potentially could go up, but this move up definitely looks very corrective, and this move down is definitely very, very impulsive. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, now we have that three-wave structure that we're always looking for. Here's a wave A. Here's one, two, three waves right there. There's wave B. This looks like a one, two, three, four, five. So if it goes back to the 61%, or if it decides to go up to the 78%, and then breaks structure to the downside, that's what's going to tell me that this right here is the end of a crescent, and it's a crescent to this last wave down. If that is the end of a crescent, then it's probably going to continue the higher time frame, weekly and daily time frame downtrend, which you would want to trade all these dollar pairs according to this US dollar analysis. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.